Class. Engine ready. Attention.
Wait. I already teach them see small, see close, but now they are so big, they've forgotten already. Can you adjust everything, see close? For the third Malaysia All-Stars Martial Arts Showcase, the certificate will also be given during the graduation day. And please buy the Star newspaper today. We have full page coloured articles on the event. Okay? One or two of your photo are also there.
Attention. Class. Engine ready. Push. Thank you, sir.
Alright. Thank you. The plank all broken, please take. If you want, please throw properly.
Satu-satu mana lah. Aduh.